to Pinkies Out Hits the Road. I'm Matt Jose, your host with the most, as we travel the globe in search of all things interesting. And that search has led us today to Brewery Legitimus, where the Curds Your Whey food truck is hosting the balls to the face deep fried cheese curd eating competition. And I plan on taking home the prize today. Let's go see what's happening. All right, we made it to the food truck, Curds Your Whey, where life is served up mad cheesy. We're gonna talk to the folks who own and run this food truck in a little bit, get a little peek into the window of what it's like to own a food truck before the battle goes down. In the meantime, I'm gonna go train and stretch out a little bit. All right, so here's how the competition works. Each person involved has to pick 2 flavors of the curd. We're gonna be eating a pound of curd in this competition. That's 1 pound of balls to the face. I'm trying to decide what's the best strategy here. I love spice. I know I failed in another competition, don't hold it against me, but I do love spice. I'm leaning towards the buffalo and the OG. I believe the OG is their signature recipe. So that's what I'm thinking about now, 20 minutes to go time. See what happens. All right, before the competition, we're gonna head inside the brewery and talk to the owner, get a little history on Brewery Legitimus. Let's go. All right, Pinkies Out Nation, we are here with Chris, the owner of Brewery Legitimus, who is hosting the food eating competition today. We wanted to come in and take a look at the tanks and just let us know what got you into the beer industry.
For me, it started way back in the late 90s. I was living in Brussels and I was studying politics, European Union and stuff, and saw this stuff up here. Started drinking it and kind of went from there and worked in beer for the last 18 years of my career, and I've had the brewery now for 4 years.
That's great. Will you do for our nation a quick little Pinkies Out sip? Oh, there he is, official member of the nation. Not only is he a member of the tribe, listen to this, found out some insider info. He is no stranger to food competitions. Do you mind telling us how you were running a hustle back in the day?
It's not, I wouldn't say a hustle.
You were winning competitions.
We had a bar in New Jersey, the first state I sold in for beer, and the deal was that you would drink a gallon of milk in 1 hour. It was whole milk.
Whole milk, whole gallon.
It sounds easy, right? It's a gallon. Come on.
It does and it doesn't.
So I did it in 46 minutes, and I got $650.
I'm gonna guess for every one person like you who succeeds, there's 100 that don't.
Yeah, it's like, have you ever seen a pea eating contest?
Yes.
You know how that goes down? They're marshmallows, how bad can it be?
And then all of a sudden you find out how bad it could be.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we're gonna have to take the lead from Chris here and try at some point the gallon of milk, because you all know at Pinkies Out, we're about trying new things and testing it out. Fail, succeed, it doesn't matter. Thanks again for letting us film here today.
Absolutely.
The place is beautiful. Make sure you come down to Brewery Legitimus and support. All right, we are here with Alicia and Jeremy, the owners and operators of Curds Your Whey. Thanks for having us on the show today. Can you just tell us how you got into the biz? What made you guys decide to get a food truck?
Well, I've been in the food business about 20 years. I love food. I love everything about it. I love the hospitality part of it.
Absolutely.
And I've always wanted to own my own business. A brick and mortar was not really my thing, so
I agree. Food truck is the way to
food truck
go.
biz was booming, and
You bring your product to all over the world. You can expose yourself everywhere. Sorry about that one.
fairs, breweries,
Absolutely.
everywhere we go. Yeah.
And what's your favorite part about this, Jeremy?
Just the experience, the one-on-one with the people. You know, you can't beat it. You meet new people. You go to cool places like this.
Yeah. You guys are clearly mad cheesy. Was there anything that led you to the cheese industry, or was it just a happenstance thing?
It was just a happenstance thing. Jeremy actually came up with the logo.
Love
We
it.
love the Mad Cow.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
that became our slogan, the Mad Cheesy, because it's a Mad Cow.
Well, again, thank you for allowing us to come here and hosting the competition today.
Absolutely.
They're going to take you for a quick tour of the truck. Let's go take a look inside.
This is where all the magic happens. Fryers are here. We're actually going to drop down your cheese curds right now for your contest. Get those going. We have our station set up over here with all our sauces and all our spices. That's our fry-in for our poutine that we do.
Okay.
Huh?
Look,
Amen.
it's out. Every racing, Mark, set, go.
Mark, get set.
Go. Delicious, by the way. What about the flavor? You want to die? I don't want to go. I just burned my tongue terribly. I'm going jalapeno early. That was a Fort Troy. My jaw is certainly a sore. I have to reiterate, the taste is delicious. The crowd was asking if I want water. No water allowed. Lost my balance.
Slow down, no slowing down.
I got him.
Let's go.
I need to get Pinkies out. Pinkies out. There's a good chance I won't use the bathroom for a week. I heard she's lined you up. So fine.
Making out, fellas.
So good.
Nice job, though. Keep going. Come on. That looks like he's in the lead.
I just hit the cheese wall. I can climb that wall. Don't choke. No. I just had to fight the gag reflex. That was the thing. You can play that game, man.
Ball sweat's going
I got
on.
the ball flex. I can't handle this many balls in my mouth. Ah. Nothing kill. Oh. You gotta eat it. You about to tap out. No! No!
Come on, one lap. Come on.
Don't do it! Don't do it! He's playing with me! I'm like a mouse, he's like a cat! Ah! Ah!
Still gotta swallow.
Ah! Why? Pinkies Out Nation, the pain is for you. Congratulations to the champion this year. Nothing but the utmost respect. I feel physically ill. You know what? Pain and constipation is temporary. Pride is forever. All right, thanks for joining us for another great Hit the Road episode. Make sure to like us on all our social media platforms. Check out our merch store, pinkiesout.net. Make sure you become part of the nation. Let's do this, people.